Many parents rush to admit children in school, sometimes even when they are about 2 to 6 months younger than the criteria stipulated by the government. In this reel, I'm going to explain to you the benefits of starting school later than earlier. The first and the most obvious, children handle skills better because they're developmentally older than all the other kids in the class and they find it easier to do the things that the other children find difficult. Secondly, the most important aspect is that children achieve with great ease and without any stress whatever is imposed upon them. The current education system, especially one which has a lot of rote learning, does not allow children to learn in the most natural way, which is through exploration and adventure. In a developmentally appropriate curriculum like we have at Ganges Valley School, you'll notice that we have the right balance of skills. And by this, when the child comes in and they're slightly older as well, they do much better, and over a period of time, we're able to see them blossom into the best version of themselves. The third reason why it's important for children to start school later than earlier is to come into school when they've already developed the self-help skills like toilet habits, eating habits, the ability to stay away from parents without separation anxiety. Separation anxiety is a natural fear that all children experience when they start school. So when they're slightly older and they come into school, they're able to perform much better because they're able to understand that their parents haven't abandoned them but will come back and pick them up either from the bus stop or from school. Another reason why it's very important for children to start school later than earlier is they're physically more ready to perform the skills like writing, coloring and reading, which are predominantly guided or steered by the musculoskeletal system. When children are very young, they may seem very, very intelligent, they may be very, very talkative, but physically, if their muscles and their bones are not yet ready to hold a pencil or to be able to read lines, they experience a lot of stress and as a result, do not enjoy school. As a psychologist, one of the most important suggestions I give parents, especially when they ask about starting school later, in the adolescent years, children require a lot more sleep to be able to allow their brain to go through the transition and the changes. When children start school later in the pre-primary years, during the adolescent years, no matter how much stress happens because of their inherent brain development and because of all the changes in the hormones, they have a better advantage over their peers who may be physically much younger and have to cope with a lot more, including the challenges from a developing brain. Keeping all this in mind, think through your admissions. It's important that children go through life in the most supportive ecosystem, and in that ecosystem, their development and their age make a huge difference. I hope this reel was useful for you.